with another video, and today I'll be showing you how to make your synthetic wig look natural. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Spray the hairline with water, comb it out and part it so you can start plucking. I created a new hairline. What you want to do is pluck the hairs out. All of it out. It doesn't matter how much you pluck out. Just make sure you don't see no dark spots. Now I'm going to actually pluck the hairs that you see behind the lace to give it a more natural look. Comb all the hair back so you can see what you plucked. Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation, level 11. Put it onto the cap so it can match your skin. Use clips so you can start blending the lace into your skin. Cut off a small amount of lace because it's too much. Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation, level 12. Use the darker side to blend in your lace. the hot comb to push the hair going back and flatten it out.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby?
I use a small skinny brush so it can look natural.
Can you feel me, baby?